Hi students, now we are going to solve the numerical problems in the textbook exercise. The first sum, the speed of a wave in a certain medium is 900 meter per second. If 3000 waves pass over a certain point of the medium in 2 minutes, then compute its wavelength. Very simple numerical problem but very important for exam. Now what are the given quantities I have summarized here. So the velocity of this wave is 900 meter per second is given. The number of waves passing over a certain point n is equal to 300 waves. Now the time of travel is 2 minutes. So it is converted into seconds. So t is equal to 120 seconds. We have to determine the wavelength. Now we know that the distance traveled, okay, the distance by time is equal to velocity. So the distance traveled by the time taken is equal to v, or the distance traveled is equal to velocity into time. So how much distance these waves are traveling is the product of velocity into time. So 900 into the time taken is 120. So this is 120 product. So d is equal to 900 into 120 meter. Okay. So this much distance has been traveled by the waves. By how many number of waves is 3000 waves. Therefore, if this distance is divided by the number of waves, we will get the wavelength. Okay. Therefore, wavelength is given by lambda equal to this distance divided by the number of waves. So this is equal to 900 into 120. So in this distance 3000 waves. So 3000 waves are present. Now we can cancel the zeros. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Therefore, now lambda is equal to 9 into 12. So 9 into 12 divided by 3. So this is 3 3s are 9. So this is equal to 3 into 12, that is equal to 36. Therefore the wavelength is equal to 36 meter. So this must be the required answer. Okay. So we have found the wavelength of the wave must be equal to what? 36 meter. That is the right answer. I hope you must have understood the fine.